Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Ade and welcome back to your very own channel Mattrick. Before starting today's lecture, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it, press the bell icon, do comment and do share our videos as well. So today we are going to learn how to calculate square root of a number which is not a perfect square. For example, what if I ask you what is square root of 9? You can easily tell that it is 3. But what if I ask you what is square root of 80? Can you tell it immediately? No. So I'm going to teach you today that how to calculate square root of such numbers which are not perfect square within 5 to 10 seconds. Today we are going to learn square roots of number till 1000. Prerequisite is one must know squares of the number till 31. Everyone knows squares of the number till 30. So there is only one addition. What is square of 31? It is 961. Just recite this one additionally. So as I was saying, what is square root of 18? How will we calculate? Tell me such a number which is perfect square and nearby 18. It is 16, right? So we will write this number in the form of 16 plus or 16 minus. How will we write? 16 plus 2. Now, what is square root of 16? It is 4. Then write this as it is and just do only one thing, a simple thing. Divide this number by twice of this number. Twice of 4 is 8. So 4 plus 2 divided by 8 is 0.25. So your answer is approximately 4.25. Square root of 18 is 4.25. So let's take another example in the form of subtraction. Let's take a bigger number now. So 600. So tell me such numbers which are perfect square and nearby 600. There are two such numbers. One is 576 and other is 625. We will take 625 because it looks easier. So let us write 600 in the form of 625. So 625 minus 25. What is square root of 625? It is 25. Then I can write this as it is. What is next step? Think. It is dividing this number by twice of this number. 25 divided by 50. So 25 minus 0.5. So 24.5 is the square root of 600. You can check it as on calculator as well. You will max to max require 5 to 10 seconds if you use this method. So that's it for today. We will learn other things in another lecture. If you have any query or want any special lecture, say on MTS, NTS, 5th standard scholarship, 8th standard scholarship, or any other doubt as well, do comment in comment box. Do subscribe our channel, like our videos, share our videos, and do comment. Thank you.